Hello and welcome to the Glady's Cake Kitchen YouTube channel. My name is Gladys, baker and cake artist. Over here, you will find yourself some simple, informative tutorials to help you level up your baking skills, along with some well-tested recipes, foolproof techniques, and general information about all things cake. You're sure to find something to help you along your baking journey, especially if you're a beginner baker starting out on this exciting journey of baking and decorating. If it's your first time here, hello, hi, and welcome again. So whilst you're here, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell to be notified of my weekly uploads so you don't miss a video. Do like and share the videos, especially if you find any value in them. And become an active member of my growing list of new subscribers by leaving a comment, a suggestion, or a question, and I'll be sure to answer. So thanks for checking the Glady's Cake Kitchen YouTube channel out. I am excited to have you, and your support is greatly appreciated.